Robinhood and Bitstamp drive XRP Ledger into the 1 quadrillion derivatives market. Now, this is a big deal. Robinhood, even though I'm not a fan of Robinhood, and Bitstamp, building this derivatives market is going to be insane, all right? Tokenized derivatives on the XRP Ledger promise 24/7 trading, instant settlements, and fractional ownership. Robinhood's acquisition of Bitstamp could significantly boost XRP's utility and adoption. All right, first I want to tell you this. The reason why all of this news is coming out, because I'm going to share something about what Brad Garlinghouse just said about real estate right now, because it's now the time to jump. Prior to these ETFs coming out in XRP, you're going to see all of the truth come out about the XRP Ledger and what they planned all along. That it's way more than just a token to run a machine for moving currencies and stable coins around the world instantaneously, right? It's a lot more than that. The reason why all this news is coming out right now and in the next couple of months is because the ETFs start firing off in the springtime. That's a foregone conclusion. But Brad Garlinghouse, the leaders of Ripple, want everybody around the world to know what's coming on this blockchain. And they want all of these hedge fund managers to know so that they can start talking to their clients about it, or their clients are calling them saying, I want that ETF. Buy it, buy it, buy it, okay? This is gonna send shockwaves through the price action, because you're gonna see volume pick up exponentially, right? And then again, you'll see XRP taken off of the open market and stored away into the rich hands, right? The money managers and all that kind of stuff. It's very easy to spot. All right, let's, there's gonna be signs. All right, here we go. The XRP Ledger is just about to change the financial world with the imminent possibility of tokenization of derivatives. It tokenizes fractional financial contracts such as futures, options, and swaps as digital assets built on the blockchain, consequently remove some of the inefficiencies bound to legacy systems. According to researcher Mark Avery, fractional ownership also allows retail investors to trade high-value derivatives with lower capital. Now, think about this. In the stock realm, obviously you can only trade, Monday through Friday, whatever the hours are, right? So here's the question I want to ask you right now. Think about when stocks, they go, hey, our stock's gotten overpriced. Nobody can afford it. It's $100, it's $1,000, or whatever, a share. We need to do a split. So they double the amount of shares, they split the price, and nothing changed the market cap, right? Except they know a bunch of people with not a lot of money can buy the stock. Think about how valuable amazing assets, when they're tokenized and split into fractional shares, will be as far as people wanting to own things that they normally could not. They did not have access to it. I'll give you an example. Berkshire Hathaway stock. What I'm saying is, can you imagine being able to buy a part of Berkshire Hathaway and be able to sit inside of the success that is the machine of Warren Buffett, right? So that broke down into a very simple sort of thing. That's what we're talking about with derivatives on the XRP Ledger, right? So it says speculation over Robinhood's acquisition of Bitstamp, coupled with rumors of a Bitstamp building a derivative exchange on the XRPL, suggests that this is going to be one very ambitious play for institutional adoption. The combination would definitely turn high trading volumes on the XRPL through the combination of a huge retail user base in the case of Robinhood with the more conservative yet robust reputation in an exchange presented by Bitstamp. Okay, so what does that mean? When they're talking about high trading volumes on the XRPL ledger, remember, every time an XRP is moved on that ledger, a little bit of that, a tiny bit of the transaction cost disappears forever. All right? And that part of the code wasn't actually enacted in 2014. It hasn't been around this whole time. And already 13 million XRP are gone forever. Okay? And I know it sounds crazy. 100 billion, 100 billion. I'm going to be honest with you. What do you think the possibility, type yes or no, the possibility of one day Ripple going, you know what, let's burn 100 billion tokens. Just burn them, destroy them. But after everything's running, think about what that would do to the value of not your coins. They don't care about your coins. They care about their coins and all of the banks that invested. See, if they all of a sudden went, yeah, let's burn 100 billion from us, just burn it, destroy it. Now instead of, there's what, $987 billion. Is that right? It's 100 billion. 908, you know the numbers. They just all of a sudden cut it down by 100 billion. Do you know what that's going to do to value? It's going to go up. That's how the world works.